The text is gone again. Empty strings evaluate to false, making them a false value. You will learn more about truthy and false values in future projects. Nice. In addition to if statements, JavaScript also has else if statements. Else if statements allow you to check multiple conditions in a single block of code. So this is a single block of code. Okay, so it says below your if statement here, add an else if statement that checks if 5 is less than 10. Okay, so below our if, which is in this part, we add an else if that has a condition which checks if 5 is, wait, which checks a condition if 5 is less than 10. And then inside of our else if statement, with that, we should have an opening and a closing curly braces for the body. If it's true, we should log with console log the string message 5 is less than 10. Nice.